guys, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Shock horror, is doing another haul. In my defence, this is an ASOS haul, and I actually haven't done an ASOS haul in so long. I've done my Topshop hauls, I've done my Zara hauls, I've been neglecting ASOS. I actually love ASOS and I spend quite a lot of money on there every week, and I thought, why have I not been filming this? So I went and did a big old spring haul, and I'm here to share that with you today. Let's do this. So, in true me style, I do ramble. I'm going to try and keep this quick. If you are new to my hauls, then the way this works is I've not tried on any of this stuff. It could be hideous, it could be fantastic. I mean, it's ASOS, so maybe it will be really nice. Hopefully. You'd hope so. And I'm just going to then try it. I'm going to talk you through it, talk you through why I bought it, try it on, and then we're going to discuss it. You guys feel free to comment and let me know what stuff you like and what you don't like. I'd say this is a spring transitional haul, so you're kind of going from like the depths of winter into spring. I just got a bit carried away. Everything will be linked below the video. Just click show more and I link all of the items in the description box. So I hope that helps. Right then, item number one. I went for a basic striped tee. Why, do you ask? Well, you just can't beat a striped tee. I feel like the nautical look is very spring. It's so easy to wear, and actually this was so ridiculously cheap. This was like £8, and I just thought, let's go for it, let's try it. It looks so classy and nice with jeans, so let's just try this on and see how it looks. So the tee is actually a very long line, look. Woo, it's very long. And it looks quite nice when you just kind of like wear it a bit more casually. Love the colour, really nice fit. Let's see it tucked it in. Yeah, I think that's quite cute. It was super affordable, and I just like stripes for spring. I think it's such a nautical kind of theme. I just don't like how long it is, but you can definitely handle that. I also forgot to say I bought these boots, which are my favourite boots ever, and they actually go really well with the top, I think, anyway. So I'll link these guys below as well. I have them in pink as well, but they're actually so cute, and they're definitely my spring grungy shoe. But yeah, back to the t-shirt. It's really soft as well, and definitely one of those things that you could just easily pop in your wardrobe. Super cheap, and it would actually look really nice with dungarees over it as well. So yeah, I like it. On the theme of stripes, I mean, I told you I got carried away because you definitely don't need two striped t-shirts. This one is a little bit different because it's long sleeved. I actually love long sleeve tops. I feel like they're a lot more flattering because I don't really like getting my arms out that much. This is a bodysuit, which is something that my boyfriend would laugh at because it looks like a baby grow, but it looks great on. I think this is more of kind of like a night out kind of top in spring, or maybe a day date. Love that it goes off the shoulders and it's also ribbed. So let's see what this one looks on in comparison to this one. So I absolutely love this top. I actually prefer it to the other one. I love the off-the-shoulder Bardot kind of feel, and you could definitely wear it with jeans for like a day look, or you could even wear this as like a day date or a night out look if you put it with heels. And I just think this is so cute, so easy to wear, really comfortable as well. I like that it's kind of tight, but it doesn't feel restrictive. It's stretchy, so it feels really comfortable. Lots of room. I also love that it's a bodysuit, but it clicks open, so there's no awkward kind of like taking it off and when you need to go to the toilet and stuff. It's so easy to wear. Just put your jeans on and then tuck it in and tighten, you know the drill. I just really like this. And I think it's really nice from behind. It's just such an easy wear. So I am definitely keeping this. Then I got this, could not resist. It's not really spring because of the colour, but they did do this in other colours, but it's very spring because of the style. A really cute kind of little skate dress, I think it's a skate dress, with the little buttons, and I love that this ties. So this is going to tie into a little bow, and it just adds a bit of, I mean, this would be a really plain boring dress otherwise, and it just adds a little bit of femininity, shall we say. I just think it's really cute, so let's try this one on. Oh hey there, skater dress. I feel very girly in this. I think it's such a cute little dress. I don't actually think the bow looks as nice as I was hoping it would. I'm gonna see how it looks with this button undone. Does that look nicer? I just think it's quite a cute, unoffensive dress. I don't know, it's quite easy to wear, really soft, really comfortable. It was so affordable. That's the thing with all of the stuff from this haul, it is all really affordable and really cute. Yeah, I just thought it was quite an easy kind of sundress, slash you could wear it with like a jacket or a coat to meetings with tights on. I just think it's quite an easy one. Right guys, you're going to be shocked here because I am going crazy for colour. Ta-da! Also, I hope you can see this because this is going to be so overexposed because it's so bright. What has got into me? I'm like wearing the sun. So this is actually in the tall section of ASOS, and I'm definitely not tall. I'm actually about 5'2", and I couldn't resist. It's kind of like an over the shoulder Bordeaux maxi dress. It was actually a midi dress on the model, I think, but I was like, I'm gonna hope it looks like a maxi on me. I hope I love it. I might hate it, and I know it's super summer and not very transitional, but it was one of those things, and I was like, oh my god, if it sells out, I'll regret it. So let's try it and see how it looks. I love it. I think I like it. I think it's so cute how it's like actually really comfortable and really light and loose weight, but so easy to wear and so summery. It just gives me all of the spring vibes. I'm so glad I ordered it. I love that it has the buttons down it and it's really cute with kind of like this bit. I don't usually suit frills. You're gonna be like, yeah, you don't suit it, but it's quite cute. I like that it's kind of figure hugging and then nice and like out there at the bottom, just a really easy wear. I do feel a bit like the Milky Bar kind of kid, like that kind of theme, but again, it's very Easter. I feel like it's very like Easter bunny kind of spring. Well, yeah, it's very spring. Next! So, I went for some pinky, mauvey, purple trousers. I don't know, what colour would you guys call these? I have no idea. I just thought, let's try it, let's inject a bit of colour into my pretty dull wardrobe and see how it fits. You can wear these in winter, you can wear them in spring, summer, so I don't know if they're going to fit, if they're going to be tailored. Let's just go for it and give them a shot. So I really like them, I really like the colour of them. They're not too pink, they're not too purple, they're nice and in between. They're kind of like a mix between being tailored and being quite, I don't know, cigarette-y, boyfriend fitty, and I quite like that. I just think they're really smart, but you could have these casual at the same time. I do actually need to start wearing different trousers rather than just jeans or white trousers, because I wear white trousers in summer, but I never try different colours, and actually with like the navy top I think it looks quite nice. This is new for me, but I quite like them. I think they're smart, and I want to go for more of a smart tailored look this spring. What next? Okay, this is a bit different for me. Basically, I love this skirt. I was like, this is so cute. I mean, my boyfriend actually hates cord, and this is kind of like weird cord. Very thin, not the best quality, but it was really cheap. So this is a little skirt, love the colour, I thought perfect. And then, oh my goodness, it came with a matching top. So I know this is crazy for me, I'm breaking all the rules today and trying different things, but this is a two-piece. I used to love two-pieces. If you guys have followed me on Instagram for a long time, at @mshellettes, come say hi, you'll know that I used to wear two-pieces all the time. Comment below if anyone remembers my two-piece obsession. And yeah, I thought this was actually really cute together, so I'm just going to try it, and then if not, maybe I could keep the top, I'll keep the bottom. We'll see. Let's go. I don't think this suits me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I actually really like the colour. The jacket is just way too big for me, but maybe it's meant to be oversized. I think the skirt's really cute, and I don't know. What do you guys think? I do think it's really spring-like. It's really soft, really easy to wear. It's very thin, so I'd say the price reflects the quality because it is very thin. The jacket is very, very big, but I quite like it. It's quite chilled, so I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know. The colour's definitely grown on me though. So I could not resist this. I was really trying not to go full-blown summer and try to keep it a little bit transitional, although I think jumpers are more transitional, but you know, whatever. I could not resist this. Oh my goodness. So this is a maxi dress, obviously, and look at the back of it. It ties. I'm such a sucker for like bow ties and things that are kind of open back, things that you just can wear no bra in and just walk around all day. And I love the print as well. I'm a sucker for polka dot. If you guys have got me on Insta or Twitter or whatever, you'll see I'm constantly wearing polka dots at the moment. So I really hope this looks as classy on me as it did on the model. I mean, probably not, but let's see. So the dress, I am wearing a bit of a weird bra, so apologies if the bra looks weird. This is such a cute print. I actually really like the print. I'm not wearing shoes because I feel like it's definitely more of a beach dress or a day kind of dress. I just love how it's kind of like nice and floaty, and these bits do open as well, which is really nice for like walking along the beach, or if you are just going to like a brunch date in spring. This is quite like an Easter dress. I don't know if anyone agrees, like an Easter brunch dress. I wear stuff like this anyway. Love the back. Super cute little bow, although I'm not very good at tying bows. I just think it's really nice. It's a really easy wear, super lightweight, just really cute and just easy to wear. I actually really like wearing stuff like this. Last but certainly not least, I removed this from my basket, re-added it, then removed it, then re-added it, because I was like, this is just OTT. But I think it could be really, really cute. So this is a really cute little top. And again, there she goes with the things that tie. Why do I love things that tie at the front so much? And it ties, and then it comes with a little skirt. And again, I think the skirt is so cute by itself, and you can buy these separately. So I thought, well, we'll try them both together, and if it's too much, I can just wear the skirt with a really nice jumper or something. I love a skirt in spring. So now, time to try this on. Let's see what this looks like. It could be horrific, or I could have just found my dream outfit. So I asked the guys in my family what they think to this, and they said, all right, it's a bit weird. But men don't really know about like pink and suede, and my boyfriend actually hates corduroy pink and sparkles, and I love corduroy pink and sparkles. Love the skirt, just as cute as I thought it would be, and I'm really excited to wear this with kind of like just like a dark roll neck or something to make it less out there. The top, obviously, we knew it was going to be like quite an out there two-piece, but it's cute. I know it's very frilly, but I think it's really cute, and if you are someone that likes cute little two-pieces and you like super girly looks, then this might be the look for you.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got.
So guys, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked some of the outfits, maybe one of them or two of them or all of them. Leave a comment below and let me know which pieces you liked. Let me know if you order anything. Remember, everything's just linked below, and mainly come and say hello on social media. That sounds so like professional. Come say hello on social media. On Twitter, Instagram, mshellx. I would love to chat to you guys. Your messages make my day. Thank you for watching again, guys, and see you later.